Real Cast Fishing. See your host Glenn with the City of Allen Fishing Field Team, COAF Field Team on YouTube. And today we're going to fish Lake Glen. It's a private location where yours truly has permission to fish here because, well, they named it after me, Lake Glen. Anyhow, I'm bringing out the BFS gear. This is that inline spinner that I made the other day. Comes in at 1.8 grams, and well, it's 100-degree temperature right now, so I don't know how long I'm gonna last out here, but bear with me. Been itching to try out the gear here. Okay, and the gear that I'm gonna be using this round, back to the White Feather Ultralight Baitcaster, and this time I'm going with this Daiwa mini cast that I picked up years ago, and back to that inline spinner, but this time it weighs 1.8, I think 84 grams. I've caught some bass in here in the past. Right now I don't see anything lurking there, but I'll go ahead and cast. What I like doing here is I'll kind of slow roll or slow reel. There's the hit. All right, parallel, and that's what happens. I'll get one taking. All right, here he is. All right, not a bruiser, but hey, he counts. Feels really good on this ultralight gear. Makes it feel a lot bigger than they are. Difficulties. Had to reconnect for some reason. I may have lost the original stream, but all right, I'm back. Whew. Sorry about that. Got sidetracked and then got disconnected, but oh, we're back on right there. Oh, there we go. There's one of those bruiser bluegill that I was mentioning earlier. Okay, back online. All right. Yeah. Okay, so I mentioned earlier that there were some bruiser bluegill here, and sure enough, here is one. All right. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and get them back in. All right, just bass and bluegill. I believe there's some catfish as well as some carp here as well. But mainly it's bluegill and bass. And right now, oh, there's the hit. There he is. Oh, he's running. Okay, that one came out from the greenery, the strike. Okay, slow to retrieve, so I guess they don't want it too fast. And there he is. They named it Lake Glen for my co-workers. Got a sign on here and everything. And so, bottom line, oh, there's a hit. Oh, yeah. What is that? Oh, yeah, it's one of those bruiser bluegill I was telling you about. I'm using 2-pound tests, so I got to be really careful when I'm lifting this up, unfortunately. Bear with me. 2-pound test, bruiser bluegill right there. All right, and this is actually one of the smaller ones, okay? And then ended up having to get sidetracked and then ended up getting disconnected. Oh, there's a hit. Oh, yeah. That one hit as soon as it hit the water. Let's see what this one could be. Oh, yeah, a bigger bruiser bluegill. This one's more like a saucer. So let me lift them up slowly. Right there. All right. And as I was saying, must be a different strain of bluegill here because they got this larger size operculum. Action picking up here. Let's try this again. Slow retrieve, steady, just keeping it just under the surface. Let it sink a little. There's a hit. There's a hit. Let's see what this guy is. All right, another bluegill. Another bluegale. This almost looks like a red ear. It's got that orange thing on there. But I think it's just your plain old bluegill. I don't know. I'm not a, what's that thing? Fish guy. Okay, I'm gonna let it sink. There's a hit. There's a hit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. All right. I guess they just wanted to wait till they got a little cooler before they got active. All right. Goldfish size? No. I think this is unless it's a big goldfish, it's pretty big. Down to my second to the last bass assassin. Gonna go ahead and let it sink. There's the hit. Oh yeah, that one hit on the drop. And he's putting a good bend in the rod. What could this guy be? Oh yeah, another bruiser bluegill, a saucer. Oh shoot! Holy cow! So as I'm bringing this guy in, there was a big bass chasing it, just under it. Holy cow! Wow, if that bass ate this size bluegill, I wonder how big he was. Nice. God dang, that was a big bass. All right, well, I appreciate y'all joining. That last one was a decent sized bass. So unfortunately, he threw the hook on me. So that said, appreciate y'all joining. Next time, we'll catch y'all later. And good luck and good fishing. I'll get more of these live streams out. We can come back again and do some more fishing together. All right, take care.